ServiceNow. Part 1. Essential UI Components. All menu, favorites, and history. Thank you for joining me. Your support and presence are deeply appreciated. Today we'll go over the main UI components of ServiceNow, including all menu, favorites, and history. When I log into ServiceNow, this is what I see. My screen might appear different because I'm using a developer instance running the Utah release. You might be wondering, what is an instance? And what is the Utah release? ServiceNow instance is just a separate area or environment where you can work on developing and testing new things without impacting production environments. To get a ServiceNow developer instance, you typically need to sign up for a developer account on the ServiceNow developer website. Here's the link. ServiceNow releases are updates and new versions of the ServiceNow platform that are periodically introduced by the company. These updates are named after cities or locations. If I click the Help question mark and open the product documentation, I can view the different releases. My instance is running the Utah release, which was updated in February 2023. You can also see the latest release, which is the Washington, D.C. release. Throughout this course, I will be using a ServiceNow developer instance running the Utah release. In this video, I will introduce you to key UI components such as the All menu, favorites, and history. We'll take a brief tour of these components. Let's get started. When I click the All menu, I see that the ServiceNow platform is divided into applications and modules. Self-service, activity subscriptions, App Engine, availability, and more are all applications. Here, you can view the list of all the applications. ServiceNow displays applications for the logged-in user based on their assigned role. Each application contains a series of modules. When an application is clicked, its modules are displayed beneath it. Here, you can view a list of all the modules under self-service. Clicking the application again hides the modules. Both applications and modules can be accessed quickly by typing a few letters of the module name into the filter navigator and seeing the results update in real time. In this example, typing CHA quickly helps me find the change application. To add an item to the Favorites menu, hover over an application or module and click the star icon. Favorites can be easily removed from inside the menu by clicking on the minus button next to their name. Favorites allow you to create links to frequently used items. Many IT tasks are repetitive. Once you've performed a task a few times, it becomes routine. Favorites allow you to save your ServiceNow queries, enabling you to repeat them with a single click. Let's take a look. Currently, there is only one favorite that displays this homepage dashboard, but we can create favorites for performing repetitive functions as well. Let's search for a list of incidents and filter it to show only those with a critical priority. This will display all open incidents that meet this criteria. I will create a favorite and named it Critical Incidents. The favorites you create can be either directly from a command you've issued or by referencing an existing out-of-the-box module. The History tab displays recently accessed items in chronological order. Items you have accessed recently appear in the History tab. Items appear in chronological order from most to least recently accessed.